Hello everyone. Have you ever tried creating an AI image only to end up bouncing between websites, tabs, and endless logins? And wondered why something so simple feels so difficult? It can be really draining. But now, I'll show you how to create beautiful images in one simple place, without the stress. This is the multi-model image generator on Quto.dev. It brings OpenAI, Gemini, and more into one simple space, so you never have to jump between tools again. Alright, let me show you step by step how to use this tool. First, choose your AI provider, then select the model that feels right for the image in your mind. And finally, type your prompt, whatever you imagine, big or small. This is the moment your idea starts turning into something real. When your prompt is ready, just click Generate, and within seconds, your idea appears as a clear, beautiful image. No waiting, no juggling tools. Once you like the result, you can preview it, copy it, or share the link anywhere. And the best part? Every image you create is saved in your history, ready for you anytime. Nothing gets lost. Nothing disappears. That's it. A simple, easy tool that helps you enjoy creating images again. Just like this, we have so many tools under one roof, and your peace of mind comes back with it. That's what Quto.dev gives you. Every essential tool in one simple place. So you can focus, code, and actually breathe again. Give it a try. It saves time, reduces stress, and makes your days so much easier. Thank you.